This is Sahil from alphabetazone.com, and in this video I will show you how to on two-factor authentication on your Snapchat app. So in order to on your two-factor authentication on Snapchat, first you need to open your Snapchat app, and here you need to click on the profile icon at the top left corner. And now you can see that this type of page will be open, and you can see that there are lots of options will be given, but you need to select the right side or corner setting option, and here you need to scroll down and you need to click on the two-factor authentication. Now you can see that this type of interface will be shown. You need to click on continue, and here are two options in order to enable two-factor authentication. The first option will be given by your mobile number, which is called text verification, and the second option will be given through authentication app. If you want to enable authentication app, you need to click on this option, and here you can set up authentication app by two ways. You can set up by automatically. In this case it will goes on authentication app and you will all set. You need to click on OK, and now it will ask you two-factor authentication while sign in. The other way is to click on the setup manually, and you will find two codes which you need to enter on your authentication app. I hope this guide was helpful and you will be able to enable two-factor authentication on your Snapchat profile. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and visit our website alphabetazone.com.